Today I just came to Zahia City Center. This was the city center they built when I literally left UAE a year ago. It was being constructed, but this is one of the entrance. So, and it's like other city centers, very beautifully built mall, which have everything in it. The flooring, ceiling, the stores. I'm fully convinced that the malls in United Arab Emirates are the best malls. A beautiful Vespa and my favorite Tim Hortons. I think it has 3 floors. So we have to go to food court, and the food court is on the top floor, and alongside there are nice stores. It's 25th of December today, and it's not as crowded as Dubai Mall or Mall of the Emirates, but still it's the top floor now. The Carrefour supermarket is also there. The shopping experience in United Arab Emirates is far better than the experience I have in Düsseldorf, in Germany. The range of the products are very high here. I mean, that's why it's very price competitive market. This is United Furniture. They have nice deals. But mostly people, they just prefer from IKEA. Nice cafe in the mall. You can sit and enjoy your meal. Home center, sub bedding. So good stores they have for home and decor. They have nice stores. This is the Carrefour, my favorite supermarket to buy your stuff from. If you want to experience Vox cinema, it's very good cinema. And this is, I think, the Christmas decoration. So Vox, they have very nice cinemas all over the UAE. My son is lost and he's searching for me now. Look, Burhan, I'm here. Come, hold my hand. You can see this is the center of the city center. Very nice Christmas decoration they have. If I can zoom it a bit, no, I can't, I think. They have nice bowling experience here. So if you are a fan of bowling, so, or the pool, and they also have mini golf, I guess. So you can come and enjoy here. But of course their prices will be a bit higher. So this is quite a big food court where you can find almost all the brands: Panda Chinese, McDonald's, Hatem, Pizza Hut, Indian, Bombay Chapati, Charlie's, Texas Chicken, and they have very nice sitting arena as well. Beautiful. 10 out of 10. So we ordered limo pizza. So that is the closing time for the mall, and for me, time to say goodbye. 2 more days in UAE, and then I will head back to Germany again. So see, the parking is almost empty now. The people are just going to leave because the shops are closed at 10, and the food court and cinema, I think they close at 12, I think.